The good news is it's Monday. All right, listen. For those new just tuning in, only one thing you need to do. Right here, TGH. Go through what's going on today. Scroll up, press the red YouTube button. You get an idea of what we do. Listen to Coach's video at the beginning of the week. We're already garnering almost 300 views. I did one last evening as the market implodes. Okay. For those hardcore people in all time, VIX needs 30. Not enough fear, it's the board. You need a volume. It doesn't even have that much volume yet. If I was accumulating a stock, this doesn't have the upside. Tesla's down 15%. Listen, the bottom line is I'm hypocritical. I'm an active manager. I'm sitting here. The best thing to do is sit and stay away. All right. There's always another trade. Oh my God. You can always get back in. And here we are, spies, just cascading. It's incredible. It's just incredible. Planet here. That's a weekly. Royals gave it back. ANF, day delay. This is the other way, all these bear flags. AMD was positive. They roped everybody in. AMD looked beautiful this morning. He was taking calls. It was up like $2, $3. It was over the 100. Boom, 96. Strongman's gave it up. Dollar General. Coke, Fizzler, EMPH, BFC, IGT, the ones I'm in. Naturally, I posted in TradeGATEHub Friday, RKT had calls, beautiful calls. Look at that chart going now as the market was going the other way. But I can't complain. I'm pissed. Am I pissed? No, you know what? I'm not saying it was typical. I took RKT. I could have had a lot more. I had 12,000, still in a little. But of course they took over Redfin, and Redfin and RKT had calls, but I took Redfin because I took RKT. I wanted to do the right thing, taking the stock that was actually acting well, instead of taking the stock that got taken over. Redfin. What are you gonna do? UAL. I traded in and out. I didn't marry the thing. I married a lot. Listen, some things got away from me. Tesla. Some things got away from me. I was trading this thing in the channel. I'm selling. It doesn't look like a lot, but 77s, I'm trading these things. We didn't know when the video was going to 125, but you know what I mean? It's hard, man. Wow. Hood. Don't want it. Hood. Look at this. It's just amazing. Margin calls again into the close. It's what? A little 3 after change. I will tell you one thing. If I was flat, I have positions I'm slightly down on. Even if I think they're the best positions there, I'm being honest. It's always I'm going to get out of those and try to get out even, if you will, or the ones whatever. And then the ones I'm down in the most, I'm going to free up capital because now I got to coddle a loser. Even if the winners that I take off weren't out to be good winners after all, I just can't. I have to do it. I have to. I made my bed, a proverbial bed. This is 220. There's a situation here. This is real bad. That's just mark. It's just incredible. I mean, I'm not here to be a reporter. Uber was taking calls this morning. That one, listen, you want to try to do the right thing. Uber, it's taking calls. Smooth. Your risk to reward still above the moving averages, except for the short term 110 day if you use the 10-day, curling down a little bit, but that has support. I get it. Might be a crowded trade, but that's the right thing to do. Uber paper trading 72.15. VIX, here it is. It's at 29 now. Here we go. Bottom left. VIX at 29. You need 35 is ideal. Which, by the way, it's another 10%. That's going to be, you know what? The biggest moves come at the end. That's going to be a tough 10%. It's going to be worse than this 30%, 25% move. Trust me. If and when the VIX goes to 35, which is what? Maybe 14% away, 15% away. That last 15% will be worse than this 25%. Trust me. Keep your proverbial powder dry. Yeah. Look at our boy, Dan. Okay, he's in here every day. He's a pro. For those of you who don't follow him. Pro shark. Friend of mine right down the street. Worst day since COVID. COVID. We're talking COVID. For the NASDAQ, those are broad terms. Breath 4 to 1 negative. This is what you want. Not yet, though. I very rarely see reversals happen the next morning. Usually happens some sort of flush intraday or some sort of futures. The only thing that's going to bail anything out overnight, I don't think China's made the move. That's a sell the rip. It's some exogenous geopolitical event, and it's probably going to come from Donnie. Aside from that, very few reversals happening overnight. And if they do, believe me, everybody's going to sell the pop on the open. That's what happens. I don't know if that's the fat pitch. I don't feel well. So from Donnie. Fucking sick to my stomach. The video. I'm catching the falling knife. Here's the knife. Where's IGT? That was positive all day. They collapsed, and I'm sure right in front of me. Yo, come on. Celestica. You want to buy one? That's on the buy list. Still above the 200-day. It's broken, but it's smoother than a lot of other ones. No gaps, but that's one to keep on the list. Trade. On it here. I felt like every fucking rookie out there. APP. How about this? That's mind blowing. That is mind blowing to me. And I've been in it 30 years. Not in it. That's mind blowing to me. What's today's date? March 10th? Whatever it is. This is February 13th. I actually feel bad. I feel bad I'm down a little bit. I'm going to have to make back, if I can speak personally. It's going to be, a grind. It's going to be a grind to make it back. It's going to take me freaking 3-4 days of good trading if I do trade well. Down a little bit. I'm smartest guy in the room. With all due respect. We got some sharp people, and here's this. I think it was the only thumbs up I saw. There it is. VIX needs 30 to 35. And there he is. One thumbs up from Gerard. That's all it takes. He gets it. Aside from that, I'm not going to give any. Who knows where they open tomorrow, whatever happens. But aside from that, I'll be Freeport McMoran. It's copper. You all knew that one too. Still a short. It is. Let them rotate. The good thing is with this board is what, Mike? Do you ask? Is that the oils and everything came back a touch, and the strong ones fell, which means the people are actually starting to sell. And the more the rotation dissipates, the more you have a chance of even more of a flush. Bottom line, ALB, I couldn't wait. I hurt my finger signing in, selling in the fund today. Up it's freaking 79. So far, I couldn't believe it was up 3. We might bounce it to the close. They're washed, but all right, you know what I mean? I hate my positions. I hate them. It was testing. Come on, get past the freak. Look at this 220. Every PSLL. I'm married to this thing. I can't believe I'm on triple ETF that's unwinding to the downside. What a fucking rookie. What a fucking piker. Now I'm pissed. I apologize being hypocritical. What's moving now? Here's earnings before the open tomorrow. Coles acting like it. Oh, Coles unchanged, roping everybody in, not falling for it. Better trades before the open. Coles, Dick's, it's retail. Viking Cruises, Sienna, Optical, BZ, China, low floater, fuel cell. You know how I feel about it. Oh my God, that's nothing. A week ago, I'd know everything about fuel cell. I should probably even listen to the conference call. Now, no. Oh, what's after the close? Fucked up. Oracle. Oh, no problem. Oracle. Oracle started it all off last time, like I said in last night's video. Sunday video you can catch on or Asan, Rippers, RDW. That used to be a rocket ship. Literally, it's a rocket. Nothing. Oracle and Asan. Oh, God. Hood. Oh, God. Any questions? This guy's freaking killing everybody. Watch Astic. There it is. Shorts got comfortable. Never get comfortable. The market bounced 3 handles. Anyway, what did bounce? As of 3:15. Listen, it's a game time decision, but the right thing to do with the edge is to stay cool. There's more risk to reward. UVIX still bouncing as the market's bouncing. Nothing. Percent losers on the day. Yes, I'm in it. I'm in half these things. No, okay. Good. RKT, that was bad luck. Boy, that RKT's down $2.73. I came in long it. Now that's hitting me too now. I'll leave it there. TNA calls. Short covering. Listen, know what your